Did your factory stagnate in 2025? Maybe your OEE was 68% in January and still 68% in December even after new investments, training, and consultants. You're not alone. The issue isn't your machines, and it's not your team. The real problem is visibility. Most factories are still running with data that arrives 24 hours late. You can't fix a problem you only discover tomorrow. When teams finally see what's happening on the line as it happens, everything changes. Microstops, speed losses, quality drifts. They get spotted instantly and corrected instantly. And the good news is, you don't need new machines. You don't need a long digital project. You just need real-time insight. Here's what factories achieve once they get visibility. Same machines, same people, just better visibility. The performance already exists in your factory. You just can't see it yet. When visibility becomes real-time, improvement finally becomes possible. If you want real-time visibility across your lines, take a look at TeepTrak.